Welcome to Honey's Kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to prepare Gobi 65 recipe. Take one medium size cauliflower and make into small pieces. Soak into warm water for 5 minutes and drain it. Take a bowl and add cauliflower, 1 cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour, half tablespoon chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon salt and mix it. Add some water and mix it uniformly. And marinate for 20 minutes. Keep the pan and heat the oil. Add the pieces into the oil and fry into golden brown on medium flame. And stir it occasionally. And also fry curry leaves and green chilies. You can serve with green chilies and curry leaves. Yeah, the Gobi 65 is ready to serve. You can have it with green chutney and tomato ketchup. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Honey's Kitchen.